Welcome to Rustbuster Frameworks Installation Guide for Toyota's 2000 to 2006 Tundra. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Remove any components and lines attached to the frame, followed by coating the work area with a buildable primer to help prevent against further rust development. Step 3. Push the part onto the frame while using the frame holes to help with alignment. Begin welding the part along all edges. Finally, coat the part in a paint to help prevent against rust development. And you're done.